My name is Nate Collins. It really is like a small family vibe, hometown, really find your group and like get to come to school every day. And it was really like, I knew what I was walking into and I was really excited to do it. It felt very welcoming, like my group, and just finding the right people, I think, and really having really cool opportunities here too. Like one of them, like learning about the Levy and learning about like how like our city works and like the government works and like how our school works was like just being a part of like our leadership in our ASB, and I got to be on student city council, which was a really cool opportunity that they have here, and just that opportunity alone, like getting to go to like city hall, meeting with like the mayor and all those people that and working with them and really understanding how like they work with the school and just all like the behind the scenes, I guess, stuff. Really just that's going to help me like future on like understanding how other things work. So just cool opportunities like that like really are kind of unexpected. That not only like for me, but to still have that opportunity for other students to be able to learn about that and be a part of that is really cool. So it's really important. I think there's lots of opportunities that like kids find out when they're here. They're like, oh, like I didn't know about that, and then they decide to join it and then become really passionate about it and really fall to love it. So it's really cool to like that there's those opportunities here that you can discover while you're on campus and here. Obviously, you have your thoughts and we have our thoughts, but you want your thoughts heard. So I think it's really important you make sure that we vote on this levy and you get your thoughts heard no matter which way you vote on it. And it really is important. It has impact.